My name is Carnie and I am a dental therapist at Auckland Regional Dental Service. I've been practicing for 3 years. I'm Samoan and Niuean and I'm the youngest of my family. It was just single mum and my brother, so it was just the three of us really. So my mum played a big role in supporting me over that time, so I really wanted to succeed for her. Dentists can treat anybody really. Also a therapist, dental therapist, we can only treat children under the age of 18. So I knew I wanted to work in public health when I was in high school and become a dental therapist. So firstly, just to become the first person in health within my family. I always had a passion for helping people and taking care of others, so I knew that public health was something that I really wanted to do. When you start at uni, it's such a big step, so you really have to plan your time really well, and no one's going to tell you when to study, so you have to make that decision and think for yourself. Probably found it easier for me because I had a lot of friends and we enjoyed studying. So when we didn't have class, we would be in the library together studying, so yeah, it was good. There's a lot of scholarships out there, so doing your research on the Ministry of Health website, there's a few there that I would encourage others to apply for. It is quite intense. It was a challenge to really develop my clinical skills, but over time and practice and you get help, and it all comes with experience. I think the main thing was really just asking for help. A lot of people are just too shy to put their hand up, so I had to really learn to really ask for help when I was at university, so I could better myself and develop my clinical skills well. When I see Pacific families come in, it's always usually, we've never seen a Pacific dental therapist before, and they always just sort of take to you and they become more comfortable and explain things to you more, and I think it's been really influential in just giving them the information that they need to help their children maintain good oral health. So I think that's, they really trust you. My favorite part is being able to calm patients, so just having empathy and seeing things in their shoes, and just taking into mind that they are quite small, and being able to get them around to letting us do treatment is huge. I love treating children and just educating and promoting good oral health, and especially when my patients leave with a big smile, it always makes my day. So I really love what I do and love to promote for more people to get out there and try dentistry as well. So I would like to see more Pacific people in the dentistry because there are not that many of us working. So I would really encourage all the young people or anyone who wants to be a dental therapist to get out there and give it a go.